In this video, we will see the developer APIs of Slack. This is my personal Slack account, and if I go to app.slack.com/API, here I have already signed in, so I can directly go to your apps. I already have an app, but I will create a new one. So let me create from scratch. Let me call it some test2 workspace, my default workspace, create app. So this workspace I'm already seeing because I have already created one. But in your case, you might be having to have to create it when you first create your Slack account. So this is my app that is created. There is a client ID secret, but we need the OAuth for doing automation. So under OAuth, you can go to scopes. You can add the scopes that you need. For example, if you need user related, so there is user read. If you need some channel related permission, there is channels history. Similarly, for conversation, there will be some permissions. Conversation connect read, conversation connect manage, conversation connect write, like this one. So whichever permission you need, you will be able to add it from here. So let me keep two only for now. And based on this, if I go to the top and click on install to the OSIS workspace, you can click allow. This will give me a OAuth token. So this is a OAuth token that we will be OAuth token that we will be using. So if I go back, now we will have to go to Postman. So I have some conversations here, like with this anonymous user, some hi test messages, and in this one, my personal conversation, I can do some hi, some documents are there. Okay, and so I have already created another token before this one. So that one I have already put in the the authorization header. So there is two API. One is slack.com/API/users.list, and another one is conversations.list. So let me hit this one. So it is a get call, and in the headers, I'm just sending. So those are actually the response headers. So now I'm on the request headers, and you can see this is the one that I have added on the authorization one. Others were already added by Postman. So authorization I have added bearer, and whatever I had generated previously, that token, the one that I showed here in the app, the one we just generated. So this is not the one I'm using right now. I have already generated one previously from my first app. Using that I'm calling. So when I click on send, this is the response body. So you can see it gave me a list of users. So for example, the anonymous user that I had, I can search by that. So this is the anonymous user that I was having, and this is another API, conversations.list. This also requires just one authorization header. So I can send this one. So this is not listing the content of the conversations, but some information related to workspace. Like I have all devices workspace there. The workspace name is there. Then some other info like the purpose, that is the default purpose for that workspace. It was there already. Similarly, there is a new channel. Uh, that details it is showing. So basically, the title and other basic details, not the content of the conversations. So these two we are seeing, all workspace and this new channel. So there should be a description that we were able to see somewhere here. So this was the description that we saw. Similarly, the new channel it showed. That's it for this video.